gram cross-set cakes. These are 76 Pro line. It's packed 8-1, 16 shots. On your list, we've got 5 colors. We're going to shoot them all at once. All right, number 2 is the 500 gram Go-Getter by 76 Pro. Packed 4-1, 49 shots. We'll shoot the 2 together. Number 3 is a Photo Flash Cake by 76 Pro. These are packed 2-1, 20 shots. All right, we'll pause for 2 minutes for retina recovery. Number 4 is Nishiki Kimuro. It's a 76 Pro, packed 4-1, 9 shots. Number 5 are the 40 millimeter Comets 76 Pro. These are packed 24-1. We're going to run through a few of these. Number 6 are 50 millimeter mines, also 76 Pro. These are packed 24-1. We're going to run through some of these then individually. Number 7 are the 60 millimeter shells by 76 Pro. These are packed 24-1. We're going to run through these individually as well. Number 8 are the 40 millimeter fan slices, 76 Pro. These are packed 4-1, 7 shots. Number 9 is a fan sweep, 25 millimeter, 76 Pro line. These are packed 6-1 and they have 13 shots in the fan. Number 10 is a ghost sweep and super sweeps. These are 3-1, 15 shot, 40 millimeter fans. Number 11 is the 500-gram finale boxes by 76 Pro. These are packed 4-1 and are 12 shots. Number 12 are the 200-gram finale boxes, 76 Pro. These are packed 8-1 and they're 12 shots. We've got a couple sequences of these ones.